Today's a great day here in Anacortes. It's sunny and warm. We're out on a late morning walk, but the great news is at the end of this walk, we're gonna go into Walgreens right down the street there and get our vaccination, our corona vaccination. It'll be our first dose. We've already got the second part scheduled for a month from now. So in a month from now, we'll be fully vaccinated and doing our part. We're getting the Moderna version, and Walgreens has been excellent. They have not only scheduled us as early as possible, but they've already scheduled us for 30 days out, gave us the same time slots right next to each other, so we get to go on and be a part of the solution. This is a good day. Part one is done. That was easy. Barely even felt it.